Assam government pen kapang daktiat aputhak KSA, DSU, GSU lapen, GCS atum ningkang samse cepaklang. Ingdeng kep kramsa nokum amai mahangket hekarni ketalon. Rongjang Pong Lems IBLong ingdeng ingkora troksi ZKYF kapaman ponjia phan mai kangni. Kardom Pini prime time abirta kethanabang neli sami velin rong pharpi norarjuik tha birtang thon pen kidam tang pai pai ni phai thom kep arni Assam sarkar ahin pen kapang dak tet aputhak chikroi dun thek the la pen kham khelo pusi pini DPCKA asai hemalong KSA DSU GSU la pen GCS asong ja tum pherang ke amai ke phalong ningkang samse alam pangdak KSA amai phusimian rong pharpen Bijoy Bedi Mahasau pen Dimasa Student Union Kongchunbang Pramit Sengyum Garo Student Union KARBI ANGLONG aru asongja tum pherangki amai long kaning jera patengke kidam tang surihini rakrihini aning kantet kapang daga hut pen amat siniri tum khamke dunlo lapen kache song asai tami denglo halaso hut KARBI ANGLONG Autonomous Council Assam Government pen nilitum dilungke thom angbong kachingwai kaching saya hut KARBI ANGLONG pen di Mahasau hini Inglong District alongke Special Tet Council atum methangsi tet pabilong pupusi Assam sarkar ahin pen lamchak nang chipi dunlo setami non hejong pai pai thom kep arni Assam government ahin pen general tet kapang dak along ke nilitum chiton nun thekte la pen kham khelo pusi phirang ke amai long alang litum ningkang samse alam chepaklang
KARBI ANGLONG Autonomous Council aru Dimasa Autonomous Council inherent subject ase primary education aru higher education to transferred subject as per MOU amar 6th schedule amendment kurise 6th schedule paragraph 3A clause D tare likha ase de amar KARBI ANGLONG Autonomous Council aru Dimasa Autonomous Council can legislate and execute ami legislation ami korbo pare aru execution aru including execution in the Department of Education ami korbo pare bi tat likha ase tetya hole ami state noholeo ami appropriate authority ase in order to conduct it. So ami KARBI ANGLONG Autonomous Council aru Dimasa Autonomous Council prothomot ami tekhethokolok ami অনুৰোধ কৰিব বিচাৰিছো আমাৰ ডেভেলপ গাৰছা আৰু তুলিয়া নহং ডাঙৰীয়া তেখেতে নিজৰ পাৱাৰ নিজৰ অথৰিটিটো জানি পেলাই টেট এম্পাৱাৰিং কমিটি টু KARBI ANGLONG Autonomous Council এণ্ড Dimasa Autonomous Council এটো গঠন কৰিব লাগিব আৰু যিমানখিনি এটা ভেকেন্ট পোষ্ট আছে আমাৰ ইটো আমাৰ স্কুলত তাতে ফিল আপ কৰিব লাগে নম্বৰ 2 আমাৰ ফালৰ পৰা আজি দাবী থাকিব যে এটা অসম চৰকাৰৰ পৰা যি নোটিফিকেশন ওলাইছে 30 আগষ্ট 2019 ৰাইট ইটো আমি অপোজ কৰিছে কিয়নো 2012 ত আমি জয়েন্ট ডেলিগেশন কৰিছে ইনক্লুডিং KARBI Autonomous Council and ami social organizations from KARBI ANGLONG we have met Himanta Biswa Sarma the then education minister and etc তেখেতে নিজে আমাক প্রমিস দিছে যে আমাক স্পেশাল টেট দিব it will be excluded from the general tet KARBI ANGLONG aru Dimasa bone amak special tet dibo boli koise kintu etu homoy bi amak misa kotha kole
Pherangke amai long alang tum kaning ji chu atengke kimesen kacharli aphan mate quality education aphat ke nili tum chidon dunlo lapen kurwang thulo setame KARBI ANGLONG Autonomous Council pen Dimahasau Autonomous Council atum mithang aja kong pensi laso atet angton pen asai chibilong nangji lapen Assam sarkar pen council atum NCT pen kapang dak RTE Act pen ke hot aron ateng pensi claim dun nangji anparta nili tum pen dilung ke thom angbong chingwai vetik ke terapu thak ajata pangdak longle pusi pherangke amai long alang ditum kether padu camera person Roshan Hasi pen Sarjip Kathar KARBI ANGLONG live West KARBI ANGLONG Satgaon along ingdeng kep kramsa nokhum amhangke thek arni katalon asai deng KARBI ANGLONG angkang pen kramsa nokhum sanchom kretrok chetongsi alir acham kipi pen talon dun Kramsa nokhum amai phu Bidya Singh kramsa ari deng pen kramsa nokhum alama ing thurponsi kramsa nokhum isi angpong kachipachini lapen chithan chipare asai deng pon รัฐจะต้องเป็นอภิกรมสานคุมอเมพูบิเดียสิงกรมสาอาริเดงเป็นกรมสานคุมอลามาปังจารปอนสีการลิตังอัตุมพันจิกิมัวไซปิดุปอนลามาปังจารเดตอภิกจะต้องอาร์มูกิดุอันอัตุมเป็นพุทธปีร์เทียลองเทงปีเทงพรังเลอาวิปุลุตังเตลังตุมอนเป็นเจงลองเด็ดปีอารัตอัตุมพิเรเมเมียกิซุงจิตองจีปุมาทับปอนสีเทงปียคลิมโซคิเอเกสอมาไซกรมสา NGO อัตุมเป็นเคลมปอนมิทั้งอาเฮมอาริดเป็นเชงล็อกเบรกจามาดีมาลองเซตามีจะปังเทียนังจีปัวจกตัววาร์ปีอาโจกับปังเทียอาศัยอังเดงเคลมปอนทูรัฐกัจจิโตอามายลองกรมสาอากูร์อัตุมเก็บลังกิพีอลาโมเฮหุยอลังลิตุมังปองจะทันจิมุงปอนสีโอเวกิมีอัตุมพันทันปาริปอนอันปาร์ตากัจจุพาอลุฮิสารปุการบิลาเมกอามายพูสุเรนกรมสาเป็นอาจกเอเมนาเอกูร์อเดงจิจินีเป็ดนังจีละเป็นเกอิจุตังจุบัดเป็นเชงล็อกเคจิงฮอนปอนังจีปัวลำเทมายลองใจปอน
So I see nang tando. Ola pute itum ende krem lablo itum si tuku tubong non ta hedi tuku tubong. Sita along le bang non puta long le da. Inong le dam nung solo la secretary level an katang lablo non ie melong sia phail do. Kapan long ye phan kadiman bong all indian bong ke kadiman bong ke non mati 42 languages 42 fikir ratroksi la fikir ratroksi la soalnya la solong ini tuh karbi langka dan ekos nombor sudah coba jadi ekos nombor long sudah fikir rahinian bongpen inspirasi paswa ali sedang dulu la soalnya sebangken non make dilimi nodrop humilisti long sudah
labang so amay long karbi kur pho along arpu kedu akihai boleswar hansi pensetami amithang akur adeng pencheng lok jutang jubat kenang sot alam the may long jaidun may phu bidya sing from sa pen kacheri pon amay long pini prekjam ahavar pen kewang sanchom kritrok armu kachup hapon ateng pen chetong dun News Desk report Karbi Anglong live Chinthong MSc angkang arlo rongjang phonglems IB long pining kewangji ingde ingkora troxy zonal Karbi Youth Festival tirika mamai keseng pado labang so kachingwai long kewangji pre ni phai phopen kapaman ponji ingdeng ingkora troxy Karbi risonim so rongaje mesen lapen alom dojot pen kapaman ponji phan pini tirika mamai keseng amai pado pon binang anchingwai chingsai pado si umla pher reng sibon aklam along si bangso ingdeng ingkora troxy ZKYF paman pon pola pen rongaje esek mesen pen kapachun ponji phan long sing kro phan si tirika mamai mai phuar pu tekpon News Desk report Karbi Anglong live Karbi Anglong People's Right Protection Committee asong ahin pen pinila horijan along kedo Cake Square Bakery along Qatar Libdam Karbi Anglong People's Right Protection Committee asong amay pu molen teron pen chunbang Bristom terang Japon Linsi pinila horijan along kedo aron ripen him kaselam bomadim mate Cake Square Bakery along Qatar Libdam mahut labang so a bakery Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen thang alu avi pin pensi aron re behaklem bom pusi KAPRPC amay pu teron pen chunbang terang asang ho atum akoy kiwan alam the Karbi Anglong life apirang ki aphan birtanang pale
Lahorijan. We are from the KARBI ANGLONG People's Right Protection Committee, KAPRPC. We have known from some reliable sources that there is a biscuit factory that is running in Lahorijan. There is written in the label that NST Colony Dimapur. The name of the bakery is, I have to now check because there is no any signboard regarding this bakery. But the thing is, this you can see, these are the machines from which these biscuits and these cakes are made. There are lots of such machines. So what I would like to say, here it is written Cake Square Bakery, NST Colony Dimapur. But what we are going to say now is that this is Lahorijan, Karbi Anglong, Assam. And the thing is, what they are doing, the owner of this bakery are doing is that they are doing marketization in Dimapur, but the production is held here. The production is, the production is going on here in Karbi Anglong, Lahorijan. So what we are going to say is that, what we want to appeal from the government is that there should be a mechanism in the government to tackle this issue, to wipe out these illegal activities or to wipe out this shops, whether it is pan shop or bakery or pharmacies, that without license, no bakery, no wine shop, no pharmacy should run. Because like I want to show the details, and they are doing very large scale business here. But from today, what is the date today? 8th of September, 9th of September 2019, we are not going to tolerate anymore if this bakery will run with the a level of Nagaland, that we are not going to tolerate anymore, that this such activity should be immediately banned. This is a Plaza Biscuit where you can see Cake Bakery, NST Colony, Dimapur, Nagaland. So these are the things that are happening here. You come, when you visit to this bakery, you won't be knowing that there is a bakery. So they are doing it very illegal. There is the camera. They have put the camera there, the CCTV camera there, but to put the CCTV camera, you need to at least spend more than 30,000. But they don't have even. They don't want to apply for the license, which is just which can be just made between this 5 to 10,000. So this is an insult to the KARBI ANGLONG Autonomous Council also. Since we have the council and we have the government Assam also. This is the border area actually. From here only 100 feet is there to reach this Nagaland. So what they are doing here is they are setting out such business. Not only this one, but there are lots of business establishment in Lahore region.
Alang litum birta nang kapalia tengki labangso bakery aningkan lapuson si aron repen beha klem bom si lak atangka ingsi bomlo. Khat-khati police station angkang Lahore region along si labangso Cake Square Bakery dolo lapen himta selam bomlo ponta Cake Square Bakery NST Colony Dimapur Nagaland pusi amena bangke pabondetlo. Lancho takali alang litum KARBI ANGLONG Autonomous Council apanta lang plot pensi aronre abeha klem bomlo lapen KARBI ANGLONG Autonomous Council apanta medu pipepin lone chini dunde ponta laso bakery ningkan photrok penlo kangpu lapen rat atumaphan pamang hubomlo lasi KARBI ANGLONG along lapuson aronre pen beha bepar kacuklem thap atumaphan KAPRPC ahin pen langding de puta lang litum chingkrinsi labangso bakery chiklojon thom angbong amen larle pulote angsong angdeng an kachesong paduponji puta alang litum kether alamte birta nang pale
details of everything, whether they what you call the businessmen, they agree our voice or not, but we are going to appeal to the council and to the state government that such things should not happen. An industry or a factory or bakery there in Ghorapati in Dimapur or in NST Colony Dimapur, will the government of Nagaland or will the student organization of Nagaland, will they agree about it? No. So these are the things that I want to say, and these are the things that I want to focus to the media through your electronic and print media, that these things should not happen, and we, the KARBI ANGLONG People's Right Protection Committee, is ever ready to tackle with or to wipe out such an illegal business establishment in and around KARBI ANGLONG.
Dipupen Digonto Teron, KARBI ANGLONG Live. PD Prime Time abirta bangke lapon sikang toniklo dumit thakmi kardong.